Namaste everyone. Measures of position, that is the partition values. Measures of central tendency, in that we have studied mean, median, mode, geometric mean and harmonic mean. See here partition values. In the partition values I am written here median. Median already we have studied. We have already studied median. But what do you mean by median there? Median, that two equal parts. We are getting two equal parts. That is the median. Here in the partition values, that is a part of that central tendency only. If you are know about median means that will become easy to study the other partition values. Now here partition values means what? Partition values means measures which divides the given data into equal parts, given the data into equal parts, that is called as a partition values. So equal parts, that is called as the partition values. Here types of partition values I am written. See a median. Median is written quartiles, deciles and percentiles. Median means that measures which divide the data into two equal parts, here two equal parts. So if there is a circle or rectangle, whatever may be, if you are dividing it, you are getting two parts. This is the median. Okay. Already we have seen that formulas and already studied. What is the median formula? We have seen for the ungrouped data, median is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2, this much of value in the arrayed series, okay. That in the discrete frequency distribution, what is the formula? The m is equal to capital N, instead of small n we are writing capital n plus 1 divided by 2th value, this much of value in the array or arrayed series. First you have to do order wise. What are the given data? You should do in the write in the order wise. Afterwards you should do this formula. Next, for the continuous frequency distribution, first we have to find out which one, n by 2. There n by 2 you have to find out the answer. That answer in the LCF where it gets, from there you have to identify which one, you have to identify median class you have to identify. Afterwards L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into C, like this way you are writing this formula. These are the three formulas already we have studied. Now we will study which one? Quartiles, deciles and percentiles, and I will write the three also formulas in one only. Okay. Now quartiles, measures which divide the data into, see quartiles means 4, therefore 4 equal parts. Here 4 equal parts, so like this way. If the circle or any rectangle, whatever it may be, first this one middle, then here 3 quartiles are there, see Q1 and Q2 and here Q3. Therefore what we can say? 3 quartiles divide the data into 4 equal parts. 3 quartiles Q1, Q2 and Q3. That 3 quartiles divide the data into 4 equal parts, that is equal parts, or we can write like this way also. See here, this is the middle and here 4 equal parts 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the Q1 and Q2 and Q3. This is the 4 equal parts. Now we are going to find out which one, Q1, Q2 and Q3. The values of all these we are going to find out. Then see here, I am written that deciles I am written. What do you mean by deciles? Deciles means that is 10 parts. Therefore, measures which divide the data into 10 equal parts, 10 equal parts. Measures which divide the data into 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts here also like this way only you have to do. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 deciles. 9 deciles divide the data into 10 equal parts, 10 equal parts. See that 9 deciles which are D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 deciles that divide the data into 10 equal parts. Okay. See, if you cut it 9 times, that time you will get 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, like this way only percentile also. See here percentiles, that is measures which divide the data, into 100 equal parts. 100 equal parts. So, we are writing the notation of that percentiles or deciles, that is by taking I, okay, here I. Here I is equal to 1, 2 and 3, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Here I equal to 1, 2, 3 so on up to 9, D1, D2 so on up to D9. Here I equal to 1, 2 so on up to 99, that is P1, P2 so on up to P99. Percentiles, 99 percentiles that divides the data into 100 equal parts, Here we have studied all these. Now, see quartiles, where we are going to use, see quartiles are more widely used in economic field and also in the business field. Which one quartiles? Quartiles are used in the business field and also in the economic field. Next we will go for which one, deciles and percentiles. These are widely used, these two are. See, these two are widely used in psychological and educational statistics. See, quartiles, that is used most widely used in the economic field and also in the which one, business field. And these two, deciles and percentiles, that is used mostly in the psychological and educational statistics. You know that one, percentiles, ranking which was given in the percentiles also, third percentiles, 20.5 percentiles, like that way. They all are calculated in percentiles. Now, calculation of all these, calculation of these three, median we have completed, then deciles, percentiles, and another one quartiles. Here, computation of these three, computation of quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. Quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. First one, that is for the ungrouped data. So, in the ungrouped data, in the ungrouped data, like here. For quartiles, I will take a Qi. I means 1, 2 and 3. Qi is equal to n. Here we are writing small n. I into n plus 1 divided by 4 here. So, in the median 2 equal parts, therefore, we have taken 2. In the quartiles 4 equal parts, therefore, we are writing 4 divided by 4. This much of observation, this much of observation, or we can write in the arrayed series, observation, where I equal to 1, 2 and 3, like this way. Then deciles, di, here also I into, if you are taking a 9 means you should write a 9, d 5 means you should write a 5. Here I into n plus 1 divided by deciles. How many parts we are getting? That is 10 equal parts. Therefore, this much of observation, this much of observation, I is equal to 1, 2, so on up to 9, till up to 9. Next, another one, percentiles we are written, that is Pi, that equal to I into n plus 1 divided by 100. This much of observation, this much of observation, I is equal to 1, 2, so on up to 99, 1, 2, 3, so on up to 99. If P 75 means, for example, P 75, that equal to 75 into n plus 1 divided by 100th observation. Like this way we are going to write the formula and finding the answer. This is about ungrouped data. Then grouped data, there are two types, one is discrete and another one continuous. Same what you have done in the median, like that way only we are writing, but only changes is for quartiles 4 equal parts, for deciles 10 equal parts, for percentiles 100 equal parts. We will write for grouped data. So, in the grouped data, two types, one is discrete. For discrete series, here Q I, that equal to I into capital N. Instead of small n, we are writing capital N, n plus 1 divided by 4th, this much of observation, this much of observation, where I is equal to, again here I is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is about first one Qi. Then di, I into n plus 1 divided by 10, this much of observation. I is equal to 1, 2, so on up to 9 here. Then Pi, that equal to I into n plus 1 divided by 100, this much of observation where I equal to 1, 2, so on up to 99. See, but you should note here Qi, Di, Pi. How we are going to find out? Here just only we are going to arrange the data, but here you should find out which one? LCF. For this you are going to find out LCF. Here to find the Qi, Di and Pi, what you have to do? That is corresponding value of corresponding to value of corresponding to which one? LCF. LCF just, that is just which one? That is greater than or equal to I into n plus 1 divided by 4, or otherwise I into n plus 1 divided by 10, or if you are going to find out percentile means I into n plus 1 divided by 100, like this way. For here we are going to see in which? In the LCF. In the LCF we are seeing the value, what is the value we got here, then we are going to see which one? X value, X value, that what is the value we got, that is the answer of Qi, Di and percentiles Pi. This is about discrete frequency distribution. Then continuous frequency distribution, in that quartiles. Here in the continuous frequency distribution or continuous data, there we are writing the formula. Say first what is the step? You are going to find out I into n by 4 or this one. See, where n is the what? N is the total frequency. N is equal to total frequency. This is the first step. Second step. Then what you have to do? Okay, first step. What is the first step? First step you are finding the LCF. Next this one. Afterwards you are finding that Qi, Di or Pi, that equal to class corresponding this class. Class corresponding to LCF, that is just greater than or equal to this one, I into n by 4, I into n by 10 or divided by 100, that is just corresponding to that one. Then last one, say after this class, what is the formula we are written in the median? In the median we are written that L plus n by 2 there. Here only changes is for quartiles, that is 4, for deciles 10 and for percentiles that is 100 we are going to write. Here Qi, this is the formulas. Formula Qi, right here, Qi that equal to I into n divided by 4. See, only changes is this one. Then all other what we are writing here, that same like median, divide by F into C here, into C. Here I is equal to 1, 2, 3, I is equal to 1, 2, 3. See, like this way only we are writing for other also. Qi I am written here. Then for deciles, that is L plus I into n divided by 10 minus Cf divided by F into C, where I is equal to what here? 1, 2, so on up to 9 till this much. Next, percentile Pi, that equal to L plus I into n by 100, I into n divided by 100 minus Cf divided by F into C. What is C? I here, I is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on up to 99. See, till this much I am written what these are the formulas. Next, I will do the problems of which one quartiles, that is first is which one for ungrouped data. So, I am written one problem, that is price of commodities in 8 different shops are as follows. Calculate quartiles. Here price quartiles. See, calculate quartiles means you have to find out that 3 also, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So, I am written one data. I am written data. First, what is the step? You have to arrange it. Answer. First, you have to array, which is the least one here, 205, 205, then 206, 207, 208, 2 times were there, 208, 209, then 212, like this way, 205, 206, 7, 8, again 208, 9, 10 and 12. 209, yes, 210 is there, 212, okay, this much. First, what you have to do? To find Q1 quartiles. First quartile I am going to find out, or you can write first quartile, or we also can write lower quartile, first quartile or lower quartile. Here Q1, that equal to Q1 equal to I into or 1 into n is equal to how much here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that equal to 8, 8 plus 1 divided by 4th observation, this much of observation, that equal to this much of observation, see, that equal to 8 plus 1, that is 9, 9 divided by 4th observation, 9 divided by 4. After you are dividing, you will get 2.25. This much of observation, this much of observations. Here 2, second value or second observation. Here see 2, second observation into second observation plus into 0.25 here into second observation, therefore third observation minus second observation, here second observation is which one? First, second, 206 plus this one, third observation, that is 207 minus second observation is 206. 206. Now here we got 1, 206 plus, after calculating we get answer 206.25. This much, what is this one? Rupees. Therefore, this much of rupees. Okay. Here we have completed this. Which one? First quartile or lower quartile. Next which one? Second quartile, or we can say that median. You can calculate median, that also, but lastly you have to write this is the second quartile. Here I will write a second quartile, or so this one is the median. Median. What is the changes here? Q2, 2 into n plus 1 divided by 4. Here multiply with 2, 2 into 9, 2 into 9, 18, 18 divided by 4. See, 18 divided by 4. See, this much of observation. 18 divided by 4. See, we get answer 4.5. 4.5, this much of observation. Now fourth value, here fourth observation plus 0.5, then here see here fourth observation, therefore here fifth observation, here fifth observation minus fourth observation, here fourth observation 1, 2, 3 and 4, sorry here 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is 208 plus 0.5 into fifth observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 208 here, 208 minus 208, that becomes 0, your answer is 208 only, this much of rupees, okay, 208, this much of rupees we got. This is median or otherwise second quartile. Like same way we will do which one? Third quartile. Only change, what is the changes we are going to write here? Sorry, here 3 instead of 2 we are writing 3, and all others are the same type. Third quartile, or we can call it as the upper quartile. Upper quartile. How? Qi or Q3, that is equal to 3 into n plus 1, sorry here small n plus 1 divided by 4th observation. Small n, I do not know what I have written in the previous, but here small n we have to write. Here 3 into n plus 1 divided by 4th observation, small n, 3 into small n, 8 plus 1 divided by 4th observation, that equal to 9 into 3, 27 divided by 4th value. Here final answer 6.75, this much of observation. Sixth observation plus 0.75 into 7th observation minus 6th observation. Okay. Here 6th observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 209. 209 plus 0.75, 7th observation is 210. 210 minus 209. So that time you will say calculate this one, you will get 209.75, this much of rupees. Okay. Here we have done this problem. See next, say I am written here another one, that is also ungrouped data. Here 8th decile you have to find out. First, what is the step? Like same way, array. You have to write array. I will write here what is the ascending order, that is 11, 12, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30, 32, 35 and 41. Totally how much? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 10 values are there. Here which one decile? D8. 8 into n plus 1, small n plus 1 divided by 10. This much of observation. This much of observation. Here 8 into n is equal to how much? 10. 10 plus 1 divided by 10th. This much of observation. What is that? See, after calculating it, you will get the answer 8.8 observation. 8.8. Here you should write here 8th observation or 8th value, 8th observation plus 0.8 into 9th observation minus 8th observation. Okay, 9th observation and 8th observation. 8th observation here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 32. 32 plus 0.8, 9th observation is 35. 35 minus 32. 35 minus 32. Here you will get the final answer, that is 34.4. So, like this way we are going to do this problem. See, what you have studied in the median, same type. This is not so difficult. If you are clear in the median, then it will become very easy. Only changes is in the decile 10, in the quartiles 4, in the percentiles you have to write 100. Okay. Thank you.